Today I'm going to show you how to auto-create a black and white effect in Pixlr in just a few simple clicks. This is a really useful trick if you want to give your photo a clean, classic, dramatic, or professional look without manually adjusting every setting yourself. Whether you're editing portraits, product shots, or creative images, this method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for quick results. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more content like this for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Pixlr editor. Once the editor loads, you'll need to open the image you want to edit. You can usually do this by clicking the Open Image option and selecting your photo from your computer. After your image is loaded into the workspace, you're ready to apply the black and white effect. Now look at the top navigation bar in Pixlr. You'll see a menu called Adjustment. Click on that menu to open the available editing options. This is where Pixlr keeps a lot of its automatic color and tone tools, so it's the correct place to start when you want to convert an image to grayscale. From the drop-down menu, find and click Auto B&W. In some versions, you may see it listed as Monochrome. Either option will instantly transform your image into a black and white style. As soon as you click it, Pixlr will process the photo and remove the color, giving you that grayscale look right away. This is especially helpful because it saves time and gives you a quick starting point. Instead of manually reducing saturation or making multiple adjustments, the Auto B&W feature handles the conversion for you. If you want a simple black and white effect, this is the fastest way to do it. After applying the effect, take a moment to review the image. Check how the shadows, highlights, and contrast look. Depending on the photo, the black and white effect may already look perfect. If needed, you can continue fine-tuning it with other Pixlr adjustments, but for most quick edits, this auto option works really well. And that's it, you've now learned how to auto-create a black and white effect in Pixlr using the adjustment menu and the Auto B&W or Monochrome option. It only takes a few seconds, and it's one of the easiest ways to change the entire mood of your image. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.